Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. An accent wall in the interior of the living room is a powerful design element that can transform the entire space and add a unique touch of personality and style. This striking feature wall, carefully chosen and strategically placed, becomes the focal point of the room, drawing attention and creating a sense of visual interest. The first step in incorporating an accent wall is selecting the ideal location. The most common choice is the wall behind the main seating area or the wall with the television or fireplace, as these areas naturally attract attention. Once the location is determined, the next crucial decision is the type of accent treatment. Painting the accent wall with a bold and contrasting color is a popular and cost-effective option. Vibrant hues, rich jewel tones, or even a dark accent color against lighter surrounding walls can create a striking contrast, instantly adding drama and depth to the living room. For a more subtle effect, a muted or tonal color that complements the overall color scheme can add visual interest without overpowering the space. Another way to create an accent wall is through wallpaper. The variety of patterns, textures, and designs available makes it easy to find a wallpaper that suits the living room's style and elevates its aesthetic. From geometric prints to floral motifs, textured finishes to metallic accents, the choices are vast, allowing for a customized and unique accent wall. Using materials like reclaimed wood, stone veneers, or exposed brick can add a rustic or industrial charm to the living room. These textured finishes provide a sense of warmth and character, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. For a more artistic approach, wall decals, murals, or stencils can be used to create a custom-designed accent wall. These artistic expressions can be tailored to reflect the occupant's interests, such as nature scenes, abstract designs, or inspirational quotes, infusing the living room with a touch of personalization. To further enhance the impact of the accent wall, consider adding additional elements that draw attention to the focal point. Decorative lighting fixtures, wall-mounted shelves with curated decor, or a gallery of framed artwork can amplify the visual interest of the accent wall and create a cohesive and harmonious look. When choosing the right accent wall, it's essential to consider the overall style and theme of the living room. The accent wall should complement the existing decor and blend seamlessly with the room's design. Balancing the color, texture, and pattern with the surrounding walls and furnishings ensures a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing result. In conclusion, an accent wall in the interior of the living room is a creative and impactful design choice that brings character and personality to the space. Whether through bold colors, striking wallpapers, textured materials, or artistic expressions, the accent wall elevates the living room's aesthetics and becomes a see. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!